Guys, a couple of weeks ago I did an unboxing and an in-depth review on this, the Akaso 4K mini lightweight vlogging camera. Yes, 4K. This thing is absolutely tiny. The functionality is awesome. There is an accompanying Android or iOS app that goes with this, and you can make so many different settings and configurations. For a cheap, ultra lightweight 4K camera, this thing is brilliant. I just wanted to give you a quick update coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, the Akaso 4K mini vlog camera. Look how small it is, it's tiny. Here's the phone, here's the camera. That's an iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max. Look at the size of it. This thing is tiny. 4K, in fact there's a ton of shooting modes, and I'm going to put a card up to the video that I did, which really goes through all the shooting modes, daytime, nighttime, everything. And you know what guys, I was very impressed with this tiny little camera. So I just wanted to give you an update to say that this is actually on sale now. It's going to be released on Indiegogo. There's a 45% discount if you sign up early. I think it's going live tomorrow at 8 AM. And yeah, you know what? Grab yourself one. There's a 45% discount, as I said, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Again, guys, have a look at the full video review. Make your minds up. I'm going to put a link in the description to the Indiegogo link. And guys, yeah, it's all good. So guys, this was just a quick update to let you know that this is going to be released tomorrow at 8 AM. The link is going to be in the description, so click on that to get your 45% discount. And you know what guys, I'm actually going to give this away. So if you leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know why you think you should get it, I will pack this up. The best comment, I will pack this up and send it out to you. So guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.